What if I told you Trust Wallet just drop free SP airdrop reward and probably you are yet to claim yours yet? I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can claim your free SP airdrop from Trust Wallet before it's too late. So if I head for such updates, make sure you smash that subscription bell, like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you not miss out my future updates. So what is SP update from Trust Wallet? If you can see right here on my PC, this is a new update from Trust Wallet and this is open for all Trust Wallet users, both the old users and the new users. So how do you get started on this SP update from Trust Wallet? If you can see right here, introducing Trust Premium, Trust Wallet new loyalty program, and right here you are going to see much brief details about this SP update. Unlock lasting perk with Trust Premium, Trust Wallet loyalty program that rewards your action and loyalty with exclusive tiered benefits. So if you scroll down right here, you are going to be seeing much more benefits you are going to be getting right on this SP reward program. Now you are going to be seeing right here what you are going to be getting when you join this program. If you can see right here, log in daily to keep your streak alive, 10 SP per day, 5 bonus SPX for a 3 days streak, 5 extra if you hit a 7-day streak. So right here there are a lot of benefits you are going to be getting right on this SP program from Trust Wallet. But I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to be jumping right now on my mobile phone and I'm going to be guiding you through live step-by-step guide on how you can get started on this program so that you will not miss out. Okay, so right here on my smartphone, I'm going to be walking you through all what you need to know, all the necessary things you need to know about this program. So the first thing you are going to do is for you to download your Trust Wallet app. Once you have successfully downloaded your Trust Wallet app and you have successfully logged into your account, just come to your right hand side and look upside. Okay, right there you are going to be seeing setting icon. Right on that setting icon, just click on it. Once you click on that setting icon, you are going to be seeing right here we have Trust Premium. Right on that Trust Premium, just look down. You are going to be seeing we have level up. Right on this level up, you are going to be seeing something like unlock exclusive reward. Right then, the next thing you are going to click on, you click on this area that says begin. Once you click on this area that says begin, it's going to bring you down to another page where you are going to be seeing Trust Premium. And what's on this page, you are going to be seeing all the packages that is available right on this SP reward. Okay, so the first package we have right here, that is the bronze package. Right, bronze package, you are going to be seeing bronze and you will see level up. Now then we have this area that says see all benefits. The next one, that is the silver package. Right, on this silver package, then you are going to be seeing level up and see more benefits. Then the last one, which is the highest package available for now, that is the gold package. So once you see all these packages, you are going to be deciding on which of this package you want to be going for. But before that, you can just check each of the package and see the benefit that is on each of this package one after the other. So let's be starting with this gold package. Right on this gold package, you are going to be seeing earn 1600 SP, lock 500 TWT. If you go to the silver, earn 1000 SP, lock 50 TWT. If you go to the bronze package, earn 100 XP. That is what you can see right here. So I'm going to be starting with the bronze package just to show you around how this particular Trust Wallet SP reward works. Okay, so the next thing, you are going to click on the bronze and you are going to click on this area that says level up. Once you click on that level up, then you are going to be seeing some instructions right here that you need to follow one after the other. So the first thing we need to talk about is this one that says my progress. So it says my progress, meet 14 days goal to level up. So now once you are here, you are going to make sure you actually follow the step-by-step guide so that you are going to be getting your reward on daily basis. So what this is telling you is that after 14 days, then you can now convert all your stake amount right here and convert it to TWT, and from there you can convert it to your USDT or to any crypto of your choice. But that is not why I'm here. So let me just show you how this works step by step. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do right now, you are going to come to this area that says more action. once you click on this more action, you are going to be seeing right here on this more action, you can decide to actually convert your available coin to TWT if you wish to. And if you already have TWT in your Trust Wallet account, then the next thing you are going to do, you are just going to go straight and swap your coin to TWT. In my own case, I want to be starting afresh, so I will show you all the necessary step by step that you need. We also have right here buy TWT, and we have receive TWT. We also have unlock TWT. So which one are you going for? I'm going to be going for the first option, and to go for the first option, come to this area that says lock TWT. So once you click on this lock TWT, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on this area that says TWT, that is I want to swap TWT. So I have some fund in my account already, so what I'm going to do, I will just swap my USDT or my BNB to TWT, and to do that it is very easy. So once you select BNB or any coin you have on your account, you can decide to go for any amount of your choice. You can be going for 25%, 50% or mass. So I went for 25%, and 25% that is $9.73 US, but I want to go for lesser amount right here because I just want to use this to show you how to get started right on this SP update. So now I went for $5 US, and the next thing I'm going to do, I will click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to swap your fund, and the next thing I'm going to do right now, I will click on confirm swap. So once you click on confirm swap, then it's going to complete this swap. Okay, so it's still loading up, So right here, as you can see, I've successfully swapped my 5 USDT to TWT. That is 5 USDT worth of BNB to TWT coin, and as you can see, it says completed. So if you want to check if your swap is completed or not, just come right here to where it shows history. Once you click on this history, you will see if your swap is successful or not, and from what you can see right here, my swap is successful. I was able to swap 0.0056 BNB. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do right now, we will proceed to stake right on this SP Trust Wallet update. So right here, come back to the home page, and right here, once you're on the home page of the Trust Premium, the next thing you're going to do is for you to come back to this area that says lock TWT. So right here, once you click on TWT, you are going to be seeing the amount you have in your account, and in my own case, I want to go for all the fund that I swap, that is 5 USDT, and I'll click on mass. Once you click on mass right here, you are going to click on continue, and once you click on continue, it's going to load up, and you are going to be seeing right here, you will click on approve. So immediately you click on approve, then it's going to swap your fund to TWT. That means you have successfully staked TWT right on this SP Trust Premium update. So as you can see right here, I've successfully staked this amount right on my TWT and this SP Trust Wallet update. So the next thing, I will click on back to Trust Premium. So once you click on this back to Trust Premium, it's going to bring you back to the home page, and this time around we are going to be completing other tasks that is left right on this update. So the next thing you are going to do right now is for you to come to this area that says lock TWT once again. So if you click on this lock TWT once again, it means if you want to add more TWT to your staking, you can as well add it. The maximum you can lock right on this your particular package, that is the bronze package, that is 50 TWT. You can't add more than 50 TWT right on your bronze package. If you want to add much more than 50 TWT, then you have to make use of the next package. Okay, the next thing we have to talk about right now is how to claim your daily earning right on this platform, and you can be claiming daily reward even without you staking so much on this platform, and that is this area that says daily checking. Right here, you just have to come right here on daily basis, and once you come right here on daily basis, just come right here and click on sign in. You are going to be getting free 10 SP for yourself. As you can see, I just click on this right here and I claim my free 10 SP. Okay, so that is for that. If you scroll down right here, you are going to be seeing there are a lot of much more reward right here, and we have this one that says swap daily. So if you swap daily right on this particular SP update, you are going to be getting some reward up to 500 SP for yourself when you swap up to 100, 300 or 500, even up to 1000 right on Ethereum, BNB and other coin, that is Solana and also Basecoin. Okay, so this is an amazing update from Trust Wallet, and it is available for both existing Trust Wallet users and also new users. So another reward you can get right on this particular update is deposit reward. When you deposit from Trust Wallet to Binance, then you can be getting additional reward right on this platform, and that is what you can see right here. So this is how amazing this update is, and if you are just hearing about this update right now, make sure you jump on this update and use this opportunity to claim for yourself free reward right on your Trust Wallet app. If you want to claim your reward for this particular package I went for, that is the bronze package I'm on right now, is for me to accumulate up to 100 XP. Once I'm able to hit 100 XP, then I can actually convert my SP to TWT, and from there I can convert it to USDT and withdraw it into my desired wallet address. So guys, this is what I have for you right on this update. If you think this video has made sense to you one way or the other, like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop in the comment section if you are going to be testing out this update, or drop in the comment section if you have been using this update for a while right now, but I'm sure this is a very new update. So many of you seeing this video, I'm sure you are just getting across this update right now. Just drop your comment in the comment section, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell. You can see my video right here, or you see this one right here to learn more way to earn daily income right in the crypto space.